all, welcome back to Pabbly. Come now, let's see how we're going to create the connection between Google Ads and Agile CRM. So to do this, I've opened the dashboard and workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can collect 100 lead details and create contacts in Agile CRM of 100 leads for free. So yes, then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. So let's search for Google Ads and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL, so copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads account. Now you have to scroll and we have to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. So what we have to do is, as you can see, that I've selected these details in this lead form. Now you have to select this lead delivery option after scrolling till the end. You're going to see this. So open this. For the webhook URL, paste the webhook URL, and after pasting this webhook URL, you have to enter a key, and after entering this key, click on this send test data, and it is saying test data sent. So open your workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response, which is the test data right over here as the webhook response. We just have to wait for a few seconds and it has successfully captured. You're going to see it has captured the company name, the email address, the phone number. You're going to see the last name, first name. So yes, you can see we have successfully captured these details and we have successfully created a connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. So now you have two options. First option, if you want, you can directly move on with this test lead details, create this automation and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. Otherwise, if you want to create this automation with the real lead details only, click on this recapture webhook response, wait until you receive a real lead, but for that make sure that your campaign is in live mode. I'm going to create this automation using the test details only, so let's close this and click on this add new action step. Now for the action application, search for Agile CRM and select it. For the event, you have to select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Agile and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. Now it is asking me for the login, email, API key and domain. So to get this, open your Agile CRM account, go on this profile picture, and now we're going to see the login email. So copy the login email and paste it right over here. And after we paste the login email, it is asking me for the API key. So go back towards your Agile, from the left end of the site, go back towards home. Then go on this profile picture, go towards this admin settings, and now from the left end of the site, you have to go towards this developers and API. And now you're going to see this REST API. So copy this REST API and paste it right over here in your workflow. Now to get this domain, go back to your Agile CRM, go on the home, and you have to copy this whole URL and paste it in this domain. But the domain is after this https:// and before this .agilecrm.com. So remove anything which is extra and just paste this and click on this save, and your Agile CRM will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After connecting this one by one, you have to enter all of these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one, I'm going to map the details which are required or the details which I wish to fill in, but you have to make sure that you map only this string value. Alright, so as you can see, only this first name and email address was required, but I've also filled in this last name, phone number and company name because I had these details of my leads. If you wish, you can definitely fill out more details. Otherwise, you can only fill out this email address, first name, and click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have successfully received the positive response that we have successfully created this contact. So let's open our Agile CRM. From the left end of the site, we have to go towards this contacts, and you're going to see a new contact has been been added. You're going to see all the information, be it the first name, last name, company name, the phone number, or the email address. And the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead form entry from Google Ads, automatically the details of my leads will be added in Agile CRM. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.